Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2020 Toyota Sienna with the VMI NorthStar conversion. Vehicle's in great shape overall, but I'll notate any items as we come across them. This is a used vehicle with only about 24,000 miles on it, but it has a new conversion on it. So the conversion comes with VMI's full 3-year 36 bumper-to-bumper conversion warranty, and you have the remaining factory warranty from Toyota on this, which was originally 3 years, 36,000 miles, whichever comes first, and 5 years, 60 on the powertrain. This is an XLE model, so you have rear parking sensors, you have backup camera, power doors, power lift gate, a lot of great features on there. Tires are in good shape here. Kind of hard to see with all this Colorado snow, but it is a certified pre-owned vehicle for us because it has remaining factory warranty and that new conversion that was done by VMI in Arizona. Okay, so how this works is we need to make sure that the car is unlocked, and then we give a good press. See how it says hold on that side door slider button. That's going to open up the door, and it's going to activate the ramp sequence. So that means is the ramp's going to start coming out, and then this vehicle also has kneeling. So the kneeling feature is going to compress that rear shock, so you get a lower ramp angle. This is ideal for users of manual wheelchairs that are going to drive themselves. You can operate this vehicle by simply pressing the button, rolling up into the car, and then with adaptive equipment, get over to the driver's position and drive away and be able to click everything to close it up at a nice low ramp angle. You don't have to have that turned on, but for some people it's a must. Vehicle is an XLE, like I said, so it does have leather and heated seats. You've got the new updated dash system from Toyota. That's all on 2015s and above with all this nice touchscreen. And then because it's a 2018 and above, it has the camera system behind the mirror. So you have pre-collision avoidance, lane keep assist. This does have cruise control on here that works really well. It's adaptive. That way you can kind of follow cars on the highway, slowing down and speeding up as they go. This has the new VMI lava floor, so it's all black in here. And then they have this lighting kit that allows for a lot of visibility, even in darker conditions. You also do have the sure deploy system. So the way that works is if for some reason the power on the vehicle's battery was not enough to operate everything, you can manually open that door, and then you press and hold on the sure deploy button. And once it starts consistently beeping, then you have the ability to control the ramp with this other switch here. See how it says in and out? So we'll make it go in, and when you stop, it stops because you're controlling the ramp using that system. So we'll go ahead and put it back out all the way to the open position, since that's where we had it. And then once that stops beeping, then we'll close the ramp how it was originally intended, since we don't need it to be in sure deploy mode right now. Back here you've got a ton of space. That's what's nice about the Toyota Siennas. This distance from here to here gives you a lot of room if you had like luggage or bags or things like that. The seats don't fold down in the stow and go anymore. They just fold down flat like that. So you do have the 40-60 split there if you wanted to store additional things. Otherwise they go here, and then they also recline back that distance there, just like that. And then if you heard, that sure deploy system is now off. Here's your power lift gate. So it stopped beeping, so it's now not in sure deploy mode anymore. So now we just hit the VMI button, and we're going to operate the ramp as normal. That VMI button is nice because as you click it, it'll give you feedback. So if it keeps flashing green, that means everything is still closing. So you can't put it into drive while the vehicle is raising back up and closing. That way you have all your full suspension, and you're not riding at an unsafe position on the vehicle. If it's ever flashing yellow, that means it's time for service, and red means the battery in the car is too low for it to operate the ramp system, so you'd have to use the sure deploy in that scenario. There's also a backup system with a manual crank handle, but none of our customers have gotten to that point yet. So It's a very nice overall setup. This is actually the #1 selling setup. The Toyota Sienna, built from 2011 to 2020 by VMI. And this is the NorthStar in-floor ramp. Thank you so much for watching. This video goes out to our #1 fans. Liana Levi. Спасибо.